Well, got the garden tilled. Got that one tilled. I got one more to do, but we'll do that later. Put this away. Okay guys, here's my cucumbers. It's 3, 6, 9, and I have another 3 that's going in my front garden. Let's go get them planted. Okay guys, I was gonna separate all these and plant them separately. There's too much root, try to break this up, so I'm just gonna plant them together. You know, and I make a new spot for them. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me mark my spot. Get my glove on, guys. Hold on. Okay, we get our cups here. I don't leave these in there. They say you could just leave them right there, but it takes longer for the roots to spread. So there's one there. We got one there. Let me go over. Got a bunch right here. And a bunch right there. Okay. So there's 2, 4, 3 in each bundle. That's 12 cucumber plants. And we're gonna get rain, so these are gonna get lots of rain. They'll get a lot of rain. This one looks like it's just falling down a little bit. Let's make this a little deeper right here so that it don't get buried in the rain when it comes. And leave those little ditches so the water gets in there. Now we got to work on tomatoes. Normally I'll put peppers in the front row here, and then we'll do let's see, we got peppers from here straight back, then we could go from here tomatoes, and we could do another whole row of tomatoes right here, and then divide the difference, put another whole row right here of tomatoes. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of tomatoes in there. That's going to get planted. The bigger tomato plants will go over to the back there. Well, it'll be 4 or 3 in the back. This, I'm going to put 2 plants in here. Grape tomatoes will go right here. We'll put a pepper plant in here. So let's get to it. Alright guys, we got some big girls here. Basically got three of these. 6 plants. This one's kind of small here. Start planting these in there. They're all going to be the same, so it doesn't matter where we start. We start in the front. We could put the smallest in the front, the biggest in the back, I think, for sun. So we don't want the ones in the front way taller than the ones in the back, I guess. Does that make sense? Or I don't know. Let's get to it. Alright guys, we'll go take a look. I'm just tired of doing a lot of digging, planting, and temperatures increased outside. And I got dark jeans, dark shirt. You know, so it's getting kind of warm. Let's go take a look real quick. What I got right here is grape, tomato, which are really good. 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, and 4 rows. It's kind of tight, but what are you gonna do? This one needs a lot more dirt. I fill this up, and I just don't have the dirt right now for it. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Cucumbers, tomatoes. I do have some peppers that I might put right here alongside. Some peppers. A little bit of compost right here. A little pile of compost I gotta dig up. And over here, I gotta dig this up. The new compost. And there I gotta mulch all that, the leaves down, bring them over here, let them ferment over the summer and the winter. By next summer, it'll look like this here. Oh, just black dirt. Look at that. It smells like the earth. Nice, nice. Well, guys, I'm gonna take a break. I get the hose out, get that connected. I gotta water everything, and then we'll get some fertilizer, whatever we could get, basically. I do have some Miracle-Gro to boost these up the next level. They're gonna need that with this soil, so. But yeah, getting it going. We got these 3 tomatoes here. Nice tomatoes. I'm gonna plant out front along with I have bush beans. I got like 4 bush bean plants that are gonna get planted. I got like, I don't know, 8 pepper plants I gotta plant yet. And I was thinking about putting like a couple pepper plants right on the edge of this garden here, and the rest out front. I also got cayenne pepper that I gotta get the seeds going. They grow really fast, so. But that's it, guys. If you like tomatoes, drop a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. And not every video is gonna be just about, you know, scrap metal or storage units or the junkyard and stuff like that. So, but hey, thank you. Thanks for watching.